This review is a culmination of work done with Dr. Francis Young of Pullman, Washington. It is a summary of many ideas he developed along with Antonio Medina. A schematic was produced for this concept. Here's the basic concept. The visual environment is input to the accommodation system. The long-term servo system is delivered from the accommodation system. The tonic accommodation signal is obtained from the long-term system. That very briefly is the concept of the eye, or all eyes, as control systems. Here's the block diagram of that system. Again, we developed a environment simulator, which you've seen in these videos. The ability to put a plus lens on the normal eye of various powers, the accommodation system, blur detection, and the drive to the long-term system. Here's the electronic version in more detail. It's necessary to use a signal generator with a 4-second period. That signal is converted into a visual environment by passing only negative values of the visual environment, since that is what is presented to the accommodation system. That signal then goes to a plus-minus lens simulator, where you use voltage to simulate the lens, or the effective lens, on the accommodation system. That goes to an accommodation system that has a time constant of 1/2 second, which means that the accommodation system is very close or identical, almost identical to what you look at. That signal must be buffered. As you see there, that signal then goes to a long-term simulator, the long-term being 100 days. Obviously, you can't have an op-amp with a 100-day time constant, so you have to time scale where a day would be 1/10 of a second. And you figure it out. The point is that the accommodations of the long-term system is servoed to or driven by strictly the accommodation system. For many reasons, that makes sense in science. Again, what is very surprising is that this 100-day time constant is there and proven by these various studies. I hope you enjoy this review.